Alright guys, here's the fridge for the bus that we got. Is what, EUHOMY, however you pronounce that. It's I think it's pulled 45 watts. Yep, it pulled 45 watts. That's it. It's cool. And here's the plug. We got 12 volt DC, and it comes with the AC plug. Plug, directions, and it actually comes with some stickers. I'm gonna plug it in for an hour and see how fast it gets cold. It comes with an app too, so I'll do that and I'll be right back. That's how it looks. That's my hand up to my elbow. That comes out. Too. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna turn it on and see how it gets. Maybe put some water in there. Show the app. And that's it. But that's all of the stuff that it comes in. Well, comes with, sorry. Yeah, this says 45 watts. I don't know, it goes in eco mode. I gotta see how much water it pulls in eco mode, but that's it. That's the front. I'll record some footage when I plug it in and it's let you guys see what it's saying and all of that. Alright guys. Alright. I'm gonna put water in there for like, there goes the reading. If you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm gonna put it in. It says 24. And there's the app that comes with it. Bluetooth. It says 24 Celsius, 24 Celsius. If you guys can see it. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put some water in there for like an hour, cup of water, and then let you guys see how it is like this. Alright guys, I'm back. Been an hour or two. The ice in the cup is frozen. This is the freezer part. That's the fridge part. The freezer part is bigger than the fridge part though. On these DC fridges I noticed that. Well, this model. That's my cat, guys. That's my cat. Got 4 cup holders. That's straight. Decided to keep the food cold before I put it in the bus. Just testing it out. Just to see if it worked before I start traveling and stuff. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching. And I'm not sponsored, so you know, I'm just showing off my stuff. That's it.